Good afternoon, class. I'm very much happy and excited again this afternoon because we will have another new topic, which I know you will also do what you have done yesterday, wherein you impart, you actively participated, and at the same time, you engage yourself from the topic. Before we go on to our topic, let me check first your attendance, class. Wow, very good. All of you are present this afternoon. And based on your facial expressions, you are also excited again to give your best and at the same time to actively participate and of course give your insights, share your insights about the topic. Okay, so before we go on to our new topic, let's do first the recapitulation of our topic yesterday. Yes, Jonard. Okay, very good. Yesterday, we're done discussing the two concept, which is what do we meant by government and what do we meant by the governance. Okay, so based on your output, based on your performance yesterday, it shows that you really understood the topic. And I hope that this afternoon, you will also again actively participate, you will ask questions, you will share your insights about our topic. Are you ready, class? Okay. So I have here a definition at the same time, the jumbled letters. This definition and jumbled letters will serve as a hint or clue with our topic this afternoon. So I will read the definition. It is the transfer of power and authority from central institution to lower or local levels of government system. So anyone from the class who wants to guess our lesson this afternoon? I'll repeat, transfer of power and authority from central institution. Yes, Juliet? Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Juliet. Our lesson for this afternoon is all about decentralization. Class, is it your first time to hear the word decentralization? Or what comes to your mind when you say or when we say decentralization? Okay, let's see if your answers are really connected or it has something to do with the word decentralization. Okay, under Republic Act 7160, decentralization devolves and decentralizes power, resources, and of course, responsibilities. So, what do we decentralize? What do we devolve under decentralization? First, power. Second, resources. And of course, responsibilities. From the national government down to the local government. So what is the role of the national government? The national government makes general policies. It's not specific, therefore it's general. So through the use of decentralization, by the power of decentralization, by the spirit of decentralization, as we mentioned a while back, what do we devolve? What do we decentralize? There are three, right? Power, resources, and of course, responsibilities to the what? To the local government. So the national government make general policies, and of course, what is the function of the local government? The local government create specific actions out of the or based on the general policies done by the national government. Another one, it creates specific actions to respond the local issues. Another one is, of course, to cater the needs of the people. They also contribute to the development of the national policies. So that is decentralization. It devolves, it decentralizes, it transfers. The big question, class, is why do we need to decentralize? Right? Anyone from the class? Why do we need to decentralize? Okay. Number one reason why do we decentralize is for flexibility and efficiency, so that the LGUs can respond quickly to unique and changing needs. For example, class, if there are problems, you don't need to go to the central offices. Rather, in your own place, your leaders will immediate response or will give solution to that problem. Another one is for innovation. Because LGUs knows the local situation best and can find appropriate ways of responding to local issues. Third one, for greater commitment and ownership. Because LGUs are the main stakeholders on the ground. Right? So therefore, if you will try to analyze from the central government down to the lower portion or the smallest unit of the government, which is the barangay. So our leaders from the central offices gave authority to our leaders to what? To immediate give solution or to response or to cater the needs of the people. For example, if you have problem, of course, go first to your barangay, right? Then the barangay will what? Report to the what? Next level, our municipal. Then of course, the province. Then of course, after province, the central office. So that is the main reason why do we centralize. Do you have any questions, class? Under the Local Government Code of 1991, Section 16, which is the general welfare, every local government unit shall exercise the powers expressly granted, those necessarily implied therefrom, as well as powers necessarily appropriate or incidental for its efficient and effective government. So one of the main reasons why do we decentralize is of course to have an effective and efficient governance and those which are essential to the promotion of the general welfare. Don't forget that why they are doing that, why the government keep on improving or why our leaders keep on improving, I should say, it's because their main target is to promote, to give general welfare. So that is the one of the main reason why there is decentralization under Republic Act 7160. Another one is the local government officials are the game changers. Who are the local government officials? Of course, our mayor, right? Our Sangguniang Bayan, the barangay officials, and of course, due or based on decentralization, because of decentralization, I should say, devolve responsibility and authority, like for example, agriculture, right? In your own barangays, if you will try to observe, right, the Department of Agriculture is trying to extend their effort to help our farmers by giving what? Free seedlings, right? Another one, health, social welfare and development, and of course, environment and natural resources. Do you have any question, class? So if it is none, I have prepared here an activity wherein I will group you into 5. So each group will answer the question, what are the effects of decentralization to governance through the following tasks assigned to you? For the first group, you will answer the first question by composing a song. For the second group, writing as one stanza poem. For the third group, broadcasting. For the fourth group, poster making. And for the last group, you will answer the question with slogan making. You will make a slogan I should say. So this activity is only good for 15 minutes. Okay? Okay, it seems that you're done. Now, choose one from your group to deliver or to present your output. Okay, very good. So another activity, class, I have provided here a slate where fact or bluff. This activity is named fact or bluff. Direction, you will raise fact if the statement is true, and of course, bluff if its statement is false. So do you have already your slate? Okay, very good. For the first question, LGU are authorized by law to impose certain taxes to support their activities. Is it a fact or bluff? Okay, very good. The answer is fact. Another one. The RA 7160 devolves and decentralizes power, resources, and responsibilities. Is it a fact or bluff? Okay, very good. The answer is fact. Another, LGU are authorized to maintain and rehabilitate roads and bridges. What is the answer? Okay, the answer is fact. Because LGU also, as we have mentioned a while back, it helps the government to promote general welfare. Another one, local government has share in the national government. The answer is, okay, very good, fact. Because we have the so-called taxes. And the last one, government officials does not make political decisions. Is it a fact or bluff? Okay, the answer is bluff. Because our government officials really does make political decisions. But that political decisions is for the welfare of the people, not for their own consumption. Okay, class. It seems that you really understood the lesson. I have two questions here, class, that you might share your experiences, your insights about these questions. In your local community, name programs reflective of decentralization. Anyone from the class? And of course, how will you contribute for the success of the program? There must be partnership, class. So we need to help the government for them to what? Of course, to meet the goal. We need to participate. We need to give also our best. Don't ask the government, rather help the government. So in your local community, name programs reflective of decentralization. And for the next question, class, is what are the benefits of decentralization based on our discussion? Okay? So you can give at least 3 benefits of decentralization based on our discussion. So here are some benefits of decentralization, class. So let's see if you really remember a while back. Decentralization provides better services. Another one, fosters citizen-state relationship. It promotes democratization, and of course, it shapes the local government. So for individual work, class, fill out the chart with the positive and negative effects of decentralization to the government. So I get one in pass. I have made an answer sheet for you to write your answers. So if you have query, if you have question, just directly ask me, okay? Okay, so that is only good for 5 minutes and it shows that you are all done. Do you have any question, class? If it is 9, okay, so please advance reading for our next topic, which is power. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for your actively participating to our discussion this afternoon. Good day, class. Goodbye.